What are we doing?
Looking for A, B. What's the clue?
Do you see one?
Where?
Where? Look around. No, I think it's back in the other room.
Taking my other eating room?
In your eating room. We call that the dining room. Because that's where we dine.
The purple room?
Yes, the purple room.
The
You have to look on the floor around. Oh, I see it.
I did too.
You do?
Wait, no go. It's not the pink one.
Oh, did you find a pink one?
Yes.
Show it to me. What is it?
Eggy. Can I open it?
Yes, you may open it.
Okay.
Oh!
More candy?
More candy!
Candy?
Oh, you found another egg?
You may have one piece.
How about this one?
Oh, that looks like a good one. What is it?
A candy.
What kind of candy?
One.
Oh, who brought it for you?
Is your bunny?
Mmm.
Mm. Mm.
What do you want to say to the Easter Bunny?
Thank you.
Thank you, Easter Bunny.
Thank you, bunny.
Mm-hmm. Is that good? Yeah, pick them up before Badgie starts eating them, okay? Because chocolate's not good for doggies.
No, Badgie.
Good job.
Oh,
There's one right by your foot.
I can't put it to be on it.
Okay, let's put it back in the eggie and close it up, and we'll save them for later, okay? Good job.
I will save them.
Are you gonna save them? Need help?